Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit exciting. Y'all all know what this is, right? It's an onion chopper. Well, today we are going to be doing everything with this thing but chopping onions. I mean, we're going to be chopping stuff that should not be chopped. It's going to be an exciting video. Y'all guys stay tuned and we will jump right in this thing. Okay, so first up, this is probably the least thing that I wanted to do, but I found it and I was like, hey, I wonder what it would be like. It is a frozen Tostito pizza roll, and I'm curious to know what it's gonna do. So we are gonna open the chopper up. Now we're gonna choppity chop, 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 chop. Get stuck. Trying to break it, but it's frozen and it's not doing anything. Let's take it out. I got a plate right here. That is what a frozen, mashed up Tostitos pizza roll. Like you all wanted to know that. But, you know, it was fun. On to the next thing. Next up, we got a cookie. It's a sugar-free cookie. And it's probably going to make a mess in this jar, and it's probably going to crush, if I had to think. But it's probably not going to be as tough as the pizza roll to get through. But we're going to just drop it in the cup. And I just tried to put it in backwards. So, that's awesome. Oh, yeah. I'll tell you what. You can make a cake like this, bro. I don't mess all that stuff up. I tell you what, this right here, you take a cake and make that on a cake and just sprinkle it everywhere. Perfect. And then you got a cake. Perfect. So, you ever need a bacon dip, come to Chef Marky, apparently, because perfect ideas, you know. Alright, on to the next thing. We're gonna blend. Not really blend, but chop. Next, we got some hard candies. We're gonna see if we can crush them. We got some warheads. We got 2 of them. And we got 2 of these little Brachus candies. So let's just open them up. This is gonna take a minute, so a few moments later. Okay, that took fashionably longer than what I thought it was gonna take. But candies are in the jar. Let's crush. Get them right under it. And then bam, bam, bam. The Candy Crush. S-U-G-A-R. That's a sugar rush. Sugar rush. S-U-G-A-R. Tasty. Okay. Candy, anybody? I think I may have won that level. May have broke them a little bit, but okay. Up next. Okay, now we have a Little Debbie cake. It's a marshmallow pie. Not for long. This one ain't gonna take as long to open. It's open. We're gonna break it in half because it's not gonna fit in the thing. Or it might. It's in there. Down we go. Can I get a rip in the chat for the marshmallow cake? I like these things. It hurts me more than it hurts you. Trust me. Okay, ready? Go, go, go. Break, break. It's just chilly. It's not wanting to break. Like, it crumbled, but it's not. Them little things are tough. You basically still got a whole marshmallow here. It just took the crumb off of it. Thing is tough. Good Lord. Alright, we're going next to the most messiest thing on the list. I'm gonna regret doing it, but you know, gotta do it. So when I started this video, I said, I wonder what's the most messiest thing I can put in this thing and see what I can break. Well, y'all guys, some of you, may have been Sonic. Okay, Sonic, the drive-in place, right? And this ain't got nothing to do with Sonic food, but it's got something to do with ranch. So we gonna see how this gonna be. Cause the ranch and the thingy, and it's faced upwards. It's in there, and we going in with it, buddy. Oh, this is gonna be bad. I'm gonna have to clean this too, and it's gonna be disgusting. Alright, y'all ready to watch this? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, oh, it's so disgusting. There's ranch in the thing everywhere. It went so. That's nasty. Yeah, I'm not even gonna put this in the plate. That's just what it looks like inside the jar after it was mushed. And that's the end of it. Yeah, I'm not licking that. That's nasty. Ugh. That's gonna wrap up today's video. I wanna thank all y'all for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button. Join the notification squad so every time I post a video you get notified of awesome videos like this. Make sure you subscribe. Join the family. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers still. I'm trying to do that by the end of 2019. We're 50 away. We just reached 50. It would be appreciated. Spread the word. Get it out there. And I think that's going to do it for today's video. I want you once again drop a comment in the comment area box thingy, majigala bob, whatever, I don't know. Drop a comment and tell me what you want me to crush next, and I might put it in a blender next time. We might do a blender video. Just drop a comment, tell me what you want me to put in there, and we might do it. With that being said, thank y'all for watching. Y'all have an awesome day. Peace out.